The third object that we're going to create is going to work as a junction object between our food inventory object and our customer object. So right now we have two objects within the setup. If you expand out create, you click on objects. We have the customer object and the food inventory object. And the third object we're going to make is going to be the order object. And this is going to work as a junction object. It's going to have a master detail relationship with food inventory and a master detail relationship with customer name. And this object is going to enable us to adjust the inventory and add an order to the customer. So let's go ahead and create our third object. So we'll click on new custom object, and the name we want to give this is order, and the plural is orders. And so with this object we want to give it an auto number. And so if you remember from earlier when we talked about auto number versus text, auto number automatically generates a number for us. So when we create the object, the first field is automatically created, and then if it's an auto number field, if it's an auto number field, then it will automatically create a number for that field. So we will use auto number field, and we will use the format offered by Salesforce. Will, instead of A, we will say it order, and the first, so the display format is going to say order 1, order 2, order 3, and so the starting number is going to be 1, and we will allow activities, and we'll allow track field history, and allow in chatter groups. And this is deployed, and we'll click on save, and now our new custom object is ready. So the new custom object is orders, and this needs to have a master detail relationship with inventories and customers. So what that master detail relationship will enable us to do is it will enable us to make adjustments to the inventory and be able to publish this object on the customer tab.